Alright, we're here at 1326 North Hoover here in Los Angeles. We've got our camera in from a clean out located on the side of the house where the pipe exits the house on the side. We tried to go from some roof vents because we wanted to check the line under the house, but we were unable to go through any of the roof vents. So we definitely strongly recommend that the general inspector check the piping underneath the house to make sure it's all done correctly. Right now we're all the way out to the city connection in the middle of the street. There's the city connection right over here. So it comes back and it looks like you have a cured in place pipe lining. It appears to be in good condition at this time. Okay, comes back onto the property now where the rest of the line is all ABS plastic, and that's all in good condition. So everything looks pretty good over here. Just get your general inspector to check the plumbing underneath the house. Also, you should never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, etc. Okay, here it comes out of the clean out. There on the side of the house. Clean the lens out. There. Okay, we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.